I'm super excited. Our clients will be getting keys to their lovely bungalows. Come on, see, check it out. Yes, no much words. You know, when your work speaks for you, you talk less. This is evidence that we deliver. We deliver. I'm super excited. Our clients will be getting keys to their lovely bungalows. Come on, see, check it out. Yes, no much words. You know, when your work speaks for you, you talk less. This is evidence that we deliver. We deliver. We deliver. This is an advantage of investing in an off-plan project. Like I always preach, off-plan project is that project where you key in, do your installments, you know, live your life, and wow, before you know it, bam, the project is completed. Like our clients will be taking in their keys today. So the details, alright? This is just to tell you that I'm here, that your girl. Bam, I'll be right back. Okay?
Ask for the best, we deliver. You ask for speedily delivery, sure you get the best. We have a spacious alley right here that cars can pass in and out. As you can see, this is the beautiful 3-bedroom, fully detached with our royal design on it. This is indeed a castle that you would want to be.
I give all glory to God Almighty, and I would like to use this awesome opportunity to thank everyone sitting down here, our partners, our realtors, and our clients. Thank you for trusting Evermark Homes and Properties, for trusting this brand with your hard-earned money. I'd like to say thank you very much. So when we're actually coming here this time last year, there was no access road. That road, the bus is actually following now. All those places were water. Back then when we used to come. So all this, where you are seeing houses now, all those places were bushes. So there was a fence we used to climb and jump into this place. Immediately we finished creating that road. That was when people that had land, that had landed property, they started working on the land. So when you are coming in, you will see a lot of people already building houses beside the road. So we are very happy about the development that we've actually inspired in this environment.
So guys, allocation we're done today. We have the new landlord and the new landladies. Don't forget, this castle is still on sale and every prices on all our properties are going up and our clients are satisfied. I am happy because Evermark Homes and Property give it the best. Our luxurious houses, our castle like no other castle.